Have you ever wondered who the very first people in the Americas were and how they got here? It's a story that goes back thousands of years, a true epic of human migration. Let's dive into the incredible journey of the ancestors of Native Americans. The most widely accepted theory is that people first arrived in the Americas from Asia. Picture this. During the last ice age, massive glaciers covered much of the Earth. So much water was locked up in this ice that sea levels were way lower than they are today. This drop in sea level exposed a huge land bridge, known as Beringia, connecting modern-day Siberia and Alaska. It wasn't a narrow strip of ice, but a vast treeless plain stretching hundreds of miles wide. Between about 25,000 and 14,000 years ago, small groups of nomadic hunters began to cross this land bridge. They weren't on a mission to discover a new continent. They were simply following the herds of large animals they relied on for food, like mammoths, bison, and horses. Over generations, they gradually moved east, venturing into this new, uninhabited land. This wasn't a single massive wave of migration, but likely a series of smaller movements over a very long time. Once they crossed Beringia, they found themselves in what is now Alaska. For a while, their path south was blocked by two enormous ice sheets covering most of Canada. But as the climate warmed and the glaciers began to retreat, an ice-free corridor opened up, allowing these early peoples to travel down into the heart of North America. From there, they spread out with remarkable speed, populating North, Central, and South America in just a few thousand years. Of course, this is a simplified version of a very complex story. Scientists are constantly discovering new evidence that refines our understanding. For example, some archaeological sites suggest that people might have arrived even earlier, possibly traveling down the Pacific coast in boats. This is known as the coastal migration theory. It proposes that early seafaring people hopped along the coastline, using marine resources to survive. What's truly amazing is how these first peoples adapted to all kinds of different environments. From the frozen Arctic to the dense Amazon rainforest, they developed thousands of distinct cultures, languages, and societies, each with a rich history and deep connection to the land. So the story of how the Americas were populated is a testament to human resilience, ingenuity, and our ancient drive to explore. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the past interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories from our human history. See you next time.